Hedra is not working.
Hedra is not working.
And now the free trial is disabled? Okay, relax. I've got you covered. This is me trying to use Hedra without my working method, and boom! The famous error message pops up. Free plans are currently disabled due to demand. You'll need a subscription to use Hedra. Yep, the struggle is real. But hold up, don't click away just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get around this error and start using Hedra again, even without a subscription. Welcome to Big Wiz Media. My name is Nyarko Wiz, and I'll be your tutor for today. If this works for you, kindly do the following 3 things. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below if it helped you. It might help someone else too. That's how you support the community and help me grow this channel. Dankeschön. First, let's try creating with Hedra AI the usual way. I'll go to Hedra, click on Video, select a character, and upload. Click Consent, then click on Upload Image again. I'll select one of the avatars here. Next, I'll add an audio script by typing what I want my avatar to say. Then, I'll select a voice actor and click to generate the audio. Once the audio is ready, I'll add it to the video. Let's give it a simple prompt here, and after that, click on Generate. Good. I believe this is the error you've been getting, right? If this is the only problem you're facing with Hedra, then I'm happy to tell you, you've got no problem at all. Let's solve it amicably. Now, open the Play Store and download this VPN. Litron Pro VPN. Download and install it on your device. Open it and select a server to connect to. Once connected, head back to the Hedra AI website. Log out of the old account and sign up for a new one. We'll be using a temporary email for this. Go to Google and search for S-Mail Pro. Then click on the temporary email tools. Let's generate a brand new email address. Click on the plus sign. You can leave the settings on default or select Microsoft if you prefer, but I'll go with Google's Gmail and then click Generate. Wait for the email to be generated, then copy the new address. Go back to Hedra and paste the email address there. Create and confirm a password. You'll receive a verification code on S-Mail Pro. Copy it and paste it into Hedra to verify your account. Now, log in with the new account. On the welcome page, accept all the terms and click on Create an Account. Then click on Video, just like before. Click on Character. Upload your image. Add your audio script. Type what you want your avatar or character to say. Select a voice actor and generate the audio. Once the audio is ready, add it to your video. Now give it a prompt. I'll say, make realistic hand gestures and head movements while talking. Then click on Generate. And boom! Hedra has started generating the video as usual. It's now in the queue. Voila! Our video is done. Let me go ahead and download it. Watch how it turned out. After that, we'll create another one.
I told you I'll help you fix Hedra AI error. Watch me.
Just like we did before, same old procedure. Let's create again. By the way, I have a full tutorial on how to use Hedra AI effectively. The link is in the description or up there in the corner. Also, if your 300 credits are used up, simply log out and create a new account using a Smail Pro temporary email. Bis später! And there you have it. Hedra is back in business. No subscription, no stress. If this video helped you out, kindly subscribe to Big Wiz Media for more hacks, tips, and tutorials. Like the video to let YouTube know it's helpful. Drop a comment below if it worked, or if you need help, I reply. Also, feel free to share this with anyone else banging their head against the Hedra wall. Let's help each other out. Once again, I'm Yarko Wiz, and this has been another Big Wiz Media tutorial.